Transporting liquids in bulk is a challenge like no other. Liquid chemicals for the pharmaceuticals industry carry a pollution risk and require stringent processes to maximize safety. While food ingredients and drinks may be perishable or in need of temperature control. One of the most efficient, safe and sustainable ways of moving bulk, non-hazardous liquids is Flexitanks. And DHL Global Forwarding owns a full range of Flexitanks specifically designed for different liquid types.
Our understanding of liquid products means we can guide customers to the very best solution. We always start with the customer's challenge in order to create the best possible integrated solution. The first step is to decide which is the most efficient way to ship the product. We conduct a compatibility review in which we assess which of our Flexitanks is suitable based on design and capacity. If a cargo needs special care, we can tailor specific designs.
With a production capacity of 350,000 Flexitanks across 5 factories in 3 continents, we have the capacity to provide high-quality Flexitanks even when disruptions such as strikes, a local or regional war, or natural disasters threaten supply.
As we build our own Flexitanks, we have full control over standards. This includes manufacturing our own polyethylene films to meet quality and food safety requirements. Our research and development teams ensure we have the safest, most reliable and sustainable ways to transport liquids. Our Flexitanks are fully compliant with COA and CEFIC Flexitank guidelines.
DHL's Flexitanks are made either from single-layered translucent or multi-layered polyethylene.
Different liquids need different kinds of tanks. Liquids like olive oil oxidize easily, so our E-Shield tank has a technology barrier to guard against that. Our iShield tank is designed to protect sensitive chemicals. Its inner layer is 400 times more effective as a gas barrier. We have a heat flexi tank for viscous liquids or cargoes that need to be kept between 60 and 90 degrees Celsius. Dual-lock tanks to protect the delicate taste of mineral water. Aseptic tanks that are designed to keep juice and dairy products fresh. And a pulse flexi tanks that mixes and agitates high-density liquids that separate in transit.
However, DHL does much more than make the right kind of tank for your product.
We stock Flexitanks at hubs around the world so they're available when customers need them. This could be for one-way transports, including transloading and storage. And we have experienced experts in over 190 countries for on-site support at origin and destination, including incident response. Our technicians fit the Flexitanks and we offer technical assistance 24/7.
From source to destination, we manage the transport and organize the correct carrier agreements. We also handle risk management and insurance, compliance, and customs brokerage. And where necessary, we can even propose modified containers. We make the status of the shipment visible to our customers in real time, updating them at every stage.
It's a true end-to-end service.
At the destination end, DHL's local technical teams ensure everything is in place for safe, efficient unloading. The final stage is for the Flexitank to be recovered and the polyethylene bag removed.
We focus on promoting circular usage of as many elements of the Flexitank as possible. After a shipment's completed, the outer polyethylene bag can be recycled and the bulkhead can be reused. Recycling is a local challenge and different countries have different requirements and conditions. We are working closely with our customers, service providers and recycling companies in order to enable recycling wherever possible. And with regards to CO2 emissions, by using our Go Green Plus products, our customers can choose to make use of a facilitated fuel switch. This can avoid roughly 80% of the emissions of an ocean freight shipment right away.
DHL's ocean bulk logistics is global, integrated, safe and sustainable. With our expertise, you can relax knowing your product will arrive in the best possible condition and ready for you to bring to your customers.